Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Hydro X5 pressure washer review. So you might be wondering what is the Hydro X5 pressure washer that you may be hearing online. Well, in this case, the Turbojet Hydro X5 is a cordless handheld power washer built around a 21-volt rechargeable battery, delivering up to like 350 psi of water pressure. Now, that's according to them. Described as roughly 5 times stronger than the standard garden hose. Now, it's designed for tasks like washing cars, bikes, patios, outdoor furniture, sidings, and windows. Now, it has a dual water source setup here. It can connect to a standard garden hose for unlimited water, or draw water through an included self-priming suction line, commonly listed around 16 feet from a bucket, pool, lake, or other clean water source here, making it usable without a hose hookup. Now, it includes a 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, offering multiple spray patterns from a focus jet stream to a wide rinse or fan spray, plus an included foam cannon attachment for applying soap. Now, it's rated water resistant, IPX4 or IPX5, depending on the listings, and weighs around like 1.5 kilogram. Now, full battery charge is listed as providing up to like 30 minutes of continuous spraying. Now, that's according to them. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, in this case, you need to fully charge the battery before for the first use here. Then attach the nozzle or foam cannon here that you want, and make sure that it's secured tightly before doing so, and connect either to a garden hose or drop the suction line into your water source. Turn the unit on and select your spray mode. Hold it for a short distance from the surface you're cleaning, and move it steadily across the area for even coverage. Now, if using the foam cannon here, apply the foam first, let it sit briefly, then rinse with a plain water setting. Then when finished here, turn off the device, disconnect the water source, drain any remaining water here, and store the parts in the included hard case. Now, on the pricing side, this product is sold through several similarly branded sites. So pricing varies by listing, with discounts commonly bringing per unit cost to around $62 to $76 depending on the bundle. But currently, if you try visiting one of their website, they do sometimes price this depending on the original or pro version. Original is around $99 and pro is $119. So you may want to take note of that. Now, there are some mentions of, or some listings here of having either having around 30 to 90 days of money back guarantee, depending on the website. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.